Hello everybody. Today we are going to do a very interesting activity called Pink Tower. See, this is a cube. It is pink in color and it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is made up of wood. Now I am going to present the Pink Tower. This is a pink tower. This is a pink tower. This is a pink tower. This is the base of the tower and this is the top of the tower. Now I am going to put back the materials. Now we are going to do few more activities with Pink Tower. First we will learn about big and small. This is big, this is big, this is big. This is small, this is small, this is small. So this is big and this is small. Now you can ask various commands regarding this. Show me the big one. Put it back. Show me the small one. Put it back. Hide the big one. Put it back. Hide the small one. Put it back. Give me the big one. Put it back. Give me the small one. Put it back. Put here the big one. Put it back. Put here the small one. Put it back. So we have learned big and small. Now we are going to learn another activity, that is big, bigger and biggest. This is big, this is big, this is big. This is also big. So this is big than this. So this is bigger, this is bigger, this is bigger. This is very big than this too. So this is biggest, this is biggest, this is biggest. So this is big, this is bigger and this is biggest. Now you can ask various commands regarding this. Show me the biggest one. Put it back. Show me the big one. Put it back. Hide the bigger one. Put it back. Hide the big one. Put it back. Give me the biggest one. Put it back. Give me the bigger one. Put it back. Put here the big one. Put it back. Put here the bigger one. Put it back. So we have learned about big, bigger and biggest. Now we will learn another activity of Pink Tower. See, this is small, this is small, this is small. This is also small but smaller than this. So this is smaller, this is smaller, this is smaller. This is very small among all the cubes. So this is smallest, this is smallest, this is smallest. This is small, this is smaller, this is smallest. Now you can ask various commands regarding this. Show me the small one. Put it back. Show me the smallest one. Put it back. Hide the smaller one. Put it back. Hide the small one. Put it back. Give me the smallest one. Put it back. Give me the smaller one. Put it back. Put here the small one. Put it back. Put here the smaller one. Put it back. So we have learned small, smaller and smallest. Okay. This Pink Tower activity is very important for the child. It helps to develop eye-hand coordination and also in the visual discrimination of sizes. It helps to develop the fine motor skill and also enhance their concentration level. Thank you. I hope you loved this real video by real educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.